All my babies are doing good. Hi, I am finally back from Lisbon. I had a really good blast. That was really good. A lot of hills and my knees are kind of suffering, but I had a really good rest. Now we're back to the real life and I'm on my way to the studio. So let's go. I also have some tools here that I forgot to bring last time. So let's go. Hello. I am at the studio and I actually forgot the bag. Anyways, let's get started. And I also forget to take a scrunchie. Damn. All my babies are doing good. I think that today is going to be a drawing day. I have my earner glazes here and I really wanted to try them, and then I'll finally be able to fire them, or the base fire, and then transparent glaze, and then glaze fire them. Yeah, that's the plan. Baby glazes. This is the color selection for today. I got a yellow, a green, some blue, some green again, and kind of a red, burgundy red, I think. Let's do it. I'm cooking a quick dinner today. I'm having pasta with some like cold balls, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs as well with pasta. So my secret ingredient is this thing, which is a bouillon. It's a beef bouillon. Pasta we're in. The dining table is a mess, but just ignore it. Okay, looking for a show. Let's watch a drama recap. Okay.
悬疑韩剧，剧情反转而又精彩。本期小帅就为重要嫌疑犯。然而时间过去4个月之久，监犯裴明奎为了挽回威信，检察长将妄图逃跑，然而被释语上释语刚才殴打他人属于现行犯。就这样抓了赌博团伙的，就持续待了4个小时的证据。恰好这家店有一条只有者没有露脸，怎么证明就是本人拍的？说完狠话，裴明奎就离开了。而小梁说什么都要退出，不参加这个案件了。就在英珠，因为一般家庭很少用这类道具。英语补充生鱼片刀价格很贵，请大家留意销售点和购买者。下午老郑查到李莹的社交账号。他是一个认为自己绝不会穿帮的犯罪天才，即使穿帮的也是一种让你们实穿他犯罪动机的表现。世宇随后拿出了一张照片，表示整个房间只有这个不易。